Hey everybody, it's Cole here. In this short video, I'm just going to explain to you how to use Google Docs and how I will incorporate it into my classroom. So I'm just going to start by hitting Start a Document. There's a couple different templates you can use for like a brochure or a resume. But I'm just going to start off with going to a blank document. Now the setup is just like Microsoft Word, not far different. In the top right corner, if you're working in a group project, this is an easy way. I'm just going to make a name, Google Docs, save. And you could just type in anyone's email address right here to share it. I'll just share it with my other email address. So now we'll send them an email to this document, and they can go into their email and they can add to this document. They will see that I'm typing, like let's say someone else is with me. They'll see that I'm typing that if they're on it, or they can go on at any time. It's a super easy tech tool to use. Other than that, there's not really much to it. Besides, if you know how to use Microsoft Word, you basically will know how to use this. Thank you very much.